When your Moen shower faucet starts to drip or becomes hard to control, the issue could very well be with the cartridge. The Moen 1200 is a single-handle brass cartridge known for its durability. However, even the most robust components can face issues over time. One common problem homeowners face is a stuck retainer clip, which can make removing and replacing the cartridge a challenge. I will walk you through the steps to replace the stuck retainer clip to ensure your shower operates at its best. Start by turning off the water supply to your shower to avoid unexpected sprays or leaks. With the water off, you'll then need to remove the shower handle. Once loosened, gently pull the handle away from the stem. With the handle removed, the cartridge and the retainer clip that holds it in place will be visible. If the retainer clip seems stuck or rusted, spray a small amount of the penetrating oil or WD-40 around it, letting the lubricant sit for at least 15 minutes. This will help in loosening it. Now, using the needle nose pliers, grip the loop or tab of the retainer clip. Gently wiggle and pull it upwards. The lubricant should facilitate this process, but if it's particularly stubborn, you might need to apply some force. Once you've successfully removed the retainer clip, inspect it for any signs of damage or corrosion. If you find any damage, replace it with a new one to ensure a good fit. If the old clip is still in good condition, you can clean and reuse it. To continue, either replace the old clip with a new one or reinsert the cleaned old clip back into its slot. Following this, slide the shower handle back onto the stem and tighten the set screw until the handle is secure. Lastly, turn the water supply back on. Test your shower to ensure there are no leaks and that the handle functions smoothly. In conclusion, while dealing with a stuck retainer clip on the Moen 1200 shower cartridge might seem daunting, with the right tools and some patience, you can tackle the problem yourself and save a few $100.